Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can delete music on Deezer mobile account. In order to delete your music on Deezer app, first of all, you need to log in into your account. After you're logged into your account, you'll be taken to the home page, and from the home page itself, you need to go to My Library or Library tab at the bottom of the screen, and that is going to take you to the other interface. Now you'll be able to see this kind of interface. So in order to delete song from your playlist, tap on the playlist and select the playlist containing the song you want to delete. After that, to delete individual song or album from your library, navigate to your My Music tab or album and find the specific song or an album you want to remove. Now if you're in the playlist section, tap the three dot option or the menu option next to the song you want to delete and select remove from playlist. And similarly for album or library, tap and hold the song or an album you want to delete until a menu appears, then select remove from music, and that's going to delete the music. So Deezer will typically ask you to confirm the deletion, confirm it, and the song or an album will be removed from your library or playlist. Now repeat these steps for all the songs or albums you want to delete, and that is basically how you can delete music on Deezer app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.